What did you do with all the boxes?
I put him away.
Where?
In the room. There was no one using this room. Look. It's storage. Anything you need. It's easy access, okay? I organized it for you. You don't need to buy a storage unit, okay? It's a waste of money.
Mom, I'm hungry. I'm just gonna get hooked.
That is junk food. Por favor, no. I make you food, okay? I have black beans, okay?
Why are you cleaning?
You never know. Someone can walk in right now. This house is disgusting. Gross.
Throw away the bags.
Throw away the bags. Are you crazy? Throw away the bags. This is a trash